Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got this query which says a file contains a list of telephone numbers in the following form, and the form is Arvind and then a white space, then 7258031, then Sachin, then blank space 725 the number of the person, then the name contains only one word, and the name of the name and the telephone numbers are separated by white spaces. There was an off right here. Now we have to write a program to read the file and display the contents into columns. So that's what we are going to do today. So first of all, we just get a variable named as which opens the file, and right here the file's name is jiffer.txt, so it's opening jiffer.txt. Then we will open it on, we can just open it in read mode only too, not a big problem. Now the next step which we're going to do is, for example, we take this variable and then we read the whole text. We do that. No, it would be, now we're going to split it into sentences. We're going to split it into multiple lines, this text. So we're going to do it by hg.split. Then we're going to tell it how it gets a variable like \n gets us to know about a split or a new line, an enter command, all of that. Like when I do this, it's taken as \n inside the program. So the next thing we go to do is something like, we make a variable which is counting the length of fr, like how many elements in the list fr are there when we divide them into the sentences. So if I print n, yeah, it's showing 4 right now, and then what we're going to do is just simply a for loop for I in range n times. Then there, what we're going to do is we go to, oh, I forgot something. We must seek the function right here, so it would be f.seek it to 0 index. And now if I ask it f.tell where is it, so it will tell it. Oh, I'll just comment this here. So if I ask where is it, so it's telling me that it's at 0 because I've seeked it, I've took the pointer at index 0. Now for I in range of n, so the loop will run only n number of times, which means 4 number of times for this specific case. The next thing we go to do would be gs equals f.readline, then fr would be for splitting the line into 2 different items, which would be name and the number, the white space. So gs.split. Now for d and ff, a solve print d. So here you see the program, it's working totally fine. It's printing it in 2 columns, and it's like Arvind, and then his name, Sachin, and then his name, Shruti, and then her name, Rita, and then his name. So I guess you guys understood the code. I hope you guys liked the video. Do subscribe to my channel, and our channel has touched 1,000 views. If I show that to you, our channel has got more than 1,000 views in the last 28 days, which is actually a good thing, and I would like to get this support from you all, and I would love you all to subscribe. Hope you guys have a nice day. Stay tuned for some more awesome content, and keep watching Bhomik Yadav YouTube channel.